For on-the-go scrubbing and cleaning jobs, you need a product that's up to the task. We're going to show you how portable, pre-saturated WypAll Waterless wipes remove stubborn dirt while being soft on your skin. So first, I'm going to take a Sharpie and draw a big W on the back of my hand. Now, I'll use the scrubby side to clean the back of my hand. Then finish with the smooth side containing ingredients that moisturize the skin. As you can see, my hand is completely clean and my skin feels great. And here's another benefit. WypAll Waterless wipes are refillable, which means you don't have to throw away your empty bucket when you need new wipes. Tough on grime, easy on your hands, and portable. That's the WypAll Waterless wipes difference.